Hello everyone. This is week 3. We are group 2. This class is a marketing management class, and our group member is Ashwini, Chengbo, Tosin, Jonathan, and Smita. And our we decided to pick up the brand autonomous excuse me, artificial intelligence humanoid brand, the Figure AI. I will hand it over to Ashwini.
Figure AI, a company founded in 2022 by Brett Adcock. It's a company which manufactures robots which that are designed to mimic human learning and movement. These robots are intended to interact with real-world environment in ways traditional robots can't. The main mission of Figure AI is to address the labor shortages which we are facing currently in US. The company targets industries like warehouses, transportations, and retails where labor forces are shrinking. Their goal is to deploy these autonomous humanoids to fill vacant positions, taking on jobs that are difficult to staff and often those that humans may not want to perform. Next slide, please. Currently, there are two products which the company is working on. The first is Figure 01. These robots are specifically designed to perform real world tasks. They perform tasks such as carrying items, interacting with objects in real time, and even assisting with logistics. Second is speech to speech reasoning. This is one of the key features. The robots can engage in two-way communication. They not only listen to verbal commands, but also respond with contextual reasoning and even understand the intent of the speech. Next is end-to-end neural networks. This is AI architecture that allows the robots to process information from their environment, learn from experiences, and make decisions based on that learning. Next is fully autonomous. They are fully autonomous means they can operate without constant supervision or intervention. And due to the advanced AI and neural networks, these robots continuously learn and improve over time, making them more efficient at performance. Um, Talking about Figure 02, refined design. These are looking at the design, they have like human-like mobility of the robots, making it more stable, agile, capable of handling wider range of tasks. They have advanced AI as well. This new model is comes with uh, cameras and sensors, which allows them to process and interpret data and also complete the actions carefully and compared to Figure 01. Next is battery upgrade. The increased battery life is made possible due to more efficient energy usage, thanks to the advanced AI and the AI algorithms that help manage their power consumption based on the real-time tasks. Improved performance. The robots operate faster, more efficiently, and with greater accuracy. Tasks like picking up objects, stacking boxes, or navigating through busy environments can be completed more quickly. Next slide. Talking about the future, the current and the future applications. In terms of current applications, these robots are already being used in manufacturing, warehousing, and logistics sectors. These industries require ability to handle repetitive tasks, improve accuracy, and reduce human labor. Um, the vision of Figure AI is expanding these robots into physical labor like construction or other heavy duty tasks, and also household assistance, helping with chores or caregiving tasks. Their vision, I would say the ultimate goal is to have these robots operate in off world environments, which is like the space and kind of advance in the space world. The key milestone is the partnership with BMW. This collaboration demonstrates like how robots can be integrated into high-tech industries like automotive manufacturing. And at BMW, these robots could potentially, not potentially, they are actually helping them assemble in assembly, logistics, and other labor intensive tasks. Next slide.
So I'd like to go over quickly the definition of the marketing dashboard. So marketing dashboard is a visual display of a key marketing performance metrics and the data points on the single interface. So it actually provides a real-time insight into the effectiveness of a marketing efforts, allowing the business to monitor the campaigns and performance, etc. And on the right side, I just want to share this is just example of a Figure AI marketing dashboard. So here's a benefit of a marketing dashboard for Figure AI. So first, centralized data access combines all critical marketing metrics into one platform, allows quick and easy access to insight for decision makers. Secondly, real-time tracking and analytics. Monitors campaign performance and audience engagement as it happens, enables rapid adjustments to optimize ongoing campaigns. Thirdly, enhanced decision making provides a data-driven foundation for marketing strategies, helps refine targeting, messaging, and the budget allocations. Move on to the second page. Fourth, improve the ROI, return on investment, by analyzing metrics like a consumer acquisition costs and conversion rates. Figure AI can focus on most profitable channels, increase the marketing efficiency, and reduce the wasted spending. Fifth, competitive insights tracks market shares, industry trends, and the brand sentiment. Helps the Figure AI understand that its position in the market and adapt the strategies to stay competitive. Last but not the least, consumer relationship enhancement. Engagement metrics provide insight into consumers' preferences and behaviors, enables tailored contents and services to build strong consumer relationship. And I would like to hand it over to Tosin.
All right, so I'm going to be talking about recommended elements for the marketing dashboard. And what I have is engagement matrix. So it's important that the company tracks like the website traffic, social media interaction, content engagement. This will enable them to know what areas are they getting more response from and what to focus on. Customer acquisition costs. In as much as the company wants to get customer, they have to ensure that the money they put in actually creating awareness about their brand and getting the customer, they're still able to make profit from it. Conversion rates, they have to monitor the percentage of rates, percentage of leads that turn into customers, reviewing the efficiency of the sale funnel. So basically what it means is out of all the people that we reach out to, how many of them actually purchased our products, and that enables, and then okay, what sector are they more from? That enables them to know where to focus on and how to get more audience. Next slide, please. All right, lead generation metrics. So basically, like the other slide, they have to track the leads generated through various channels, like, and then looking at all this lead, they can know, okay, this is how to reach out more to people. Maybe they're getting more response from social media or they're getting more response from banners. They will know where to increase their publication more on, so that way more people are more aware. Marketing penetration assessment. So AI is increasingly growing, and Figure it's also kind of like AI robotics. So they need to look at the competition they are having and what they can do to make sure they stay ahead on top, and also what identify areas of growth as well. And then brand sentiment analysis. For any brand, it's important to look at how your customer feel, how they perceive your brand, ensuring that the brand is seen in a good limelight to the consumers is also very important for the growth of the company. All right, next slide.
Yeah, so this is an interesting quote that I'm sure everyone has seen through the class lectures. So what gets measured gets managed. I think it's very relevant because things that are not measured in the workplace do not really take priority, and it's important to also understand that we need to measure the right things to ensure we get the right results. So starting off with this code over here, if we go to the next slide, it gives us a very high overview. Next slide, please. It gives us a very high overview of the process in which a marketing dashboard is put together. So the important callouts over here, it might look very simple from a high level, but it's a highly collaborative process and that includes multiple cross-functional teams. And it's a highly intensive process that also requires a lot of alignment from key stakeholders to ensure robust tools, visuals are built to give the right results for teams and companies. So, what are some of the pitfalls that companies need to look at, especially if they're working on these marketing dashboards? Is one, excessive information and data fatigue can be misleading, confusing, especially for executive leadership that's potentially viewing these dashboards. They want to ensure, um, you know, what's the current status? Is help required? How can leaders help? That's all they want to know, right? So we want to ensure that it's concise and easy to digest. Second thing, data accuracy and reliability. The results that we give, the insights that we generate are as good as the data that's fed into the visuals. So it's important to ensure data is as clean as possible. If not, there's going to be a lot of assumptions that need to be called out, and results need to be taken with a pinch of salt. So, third thing, visualizations that are difficult to interpret. It's helpful for teams to have guidebooks or guidelines, definitions for what data sources are used, and like the definition from where the data is being pulled, what are the data sources. I think it's helpful to in cases if someone wants to deep dive, that they have the data to back it up. And then, how does a KPI or metric influence decision making? We want to ensure, companies need to ensure that the KPIs or metrics that are being reviewed are driving towards the team's or the company's goals and objectives, because it doesn't matter if you want to measure something that does not contribute to the team's goals or company's goals. Couple of other points to keep in mind: the reporting cadence and the review process. How frequently, or how frequently does these dashboards or reports get sent out to stakeholders leadership? Is it, you don't want to be sending it every day. You don't want to be sending it once a year as well. So aligning on the right cadence is critical. And finally, ensuring there's a feedback loop, and then feedback from stakeholders, leaders are also heard, and enhancements can be made on the dashboards on a continual basis. So I think these are like some of the critical things to keep in mind.
All right. So in conclusion, for the Figure AI to fully leverage its dashboards and to ensure the effective decision making, we must prioritize on the clarity, accuracy, relevance in the data process by focusing on the essential KPIs, avoiding the information overload. So Figure AI can provide the users with the actionable insights that are directly support the team and the company objectives. Accurate and well-defined matrices and transparent data sources are very crucial for maintaining the data reliability and the trust. So in addition to this, an intuitive visualization guide along with the structured cadence for reporting, review, and feedback will also facilitate the continuous improvement. With this best practices, I think the Figure AI can maximize the strategic value of its dashboards, analyticals, and support the data-driven decisions in the long-term success. So this is what, as a team, we have covered. So in summary, if we have to conclude, a marketing dashboard can centralize the data, provide actionable insights, and support the Figure AI's growth. The key takeaways here is the effective matrices, data accuracy, customization, and the team training is very essential. And from the future impact perspective, helps to help the Figure AI to refine marketing, boost the customer satisfaction, and to remain competitive in the market. So we also have listed the references from where we have collected data in the future slide. Thank you.